Come join me on this crazy adventure, how I find out how food really makes it onto your plate. Today is Mahi-Mahi. I'm gonna harpoon it from the front of a boat. We've been waiting for a rough day, it seems, because that's when mahi come to the surface. So it's gonna be a race. Will I get sick or get the Mahi-Mahi? Hello.
Hey, Yorana David.
It looks terrible out there, just like you wanted.
It looks perfect for what you need to do. For Mahi-Mahi, we want it to be rough like this, so it brings them to the surface.
Okay.
But it is going to be a rock and roll ride today, huh?
Wow. Let's do it.
Yes.
This is your friend.
Yes.
Hey, Jimmy.
Jimmy.
What's going on? Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Hello, hello. All right, Chef. Thank you very much.
Maruru.
I'll see you
Good
later.
luck.
Take it like this. Like this.
Like
Okay?
this?
Yeah, shoot. Yes, good.
So Jimmy was saying that we follow the birds. There are 2 white birds and a bunch of black birds, and they are trailing a mahi-mahi. When we get in the chase, the black birds will leave, but the white birds will stay. And if we miss the mahi-mahi, they will get it. These swells are crazy right now. We've just been seeing brown and white birds out here. They're going after the flying fish. So Jimmy's gonna turn us around. We're gonna go on the other side of the island. I guess there's a man-made reef over here. And while we're waiting for birds to come, we're gonna troll for some other types of fish. Captain saw a ton of birds over what he thinks is skipjack right now. So he's gonna turn around. We're gonna circle this. He's gonna put on some smaller bait and we're gonna go after some skipjack. I didn't get the spear mahi-mahi, but hopefully we get some skipjack. This is awesome. Wow. Nature doesn't give you what you want, but gives you what you need sometimes.
Take gloves, take gloves.
Take your gloves.
Okay, big marlin, man. You sit here.
Okay.
Be careful, you don't
Fall into the water.
okay?
Yes. Pull and turn.
Pull and turn.
Got
okay?
it. Yep. Jesus.
Okay. Man, big marlin, man.
Look at that. Look at that. He's right here. Holy smoke.
Hey, fast. Go. Go. Hey, lost.
Did he lose it?
Yeah. Lost. Man, big marlin. You got to look.
So it's super disappointing. Like, to have and to lose, you know? It was one thing to like not see birds so you couldn't get the mahi. It's just sort of nature saying no. But to have the marlin hit, to pull and pull and pull and pull, and to lose it. Boy, that would have surprised Chef though, wouldn't it? Well, that's fishing, I guess. It was right there. It was right there next to the boat. And it ran and it popped the line. And that was it. We're here to meet Tika to go out for scad, known here as ature. I thought that it was freshwater fish, but it's not, it's ocean. So I'm going back out on a boat. Hopefully I have better luck than the marlin and the mahi. Tika's actually taking us to meet JP, who's my fisherman tonight. This is very clandestine. I feel like James Bond here. So how do we do this, with a rod?
I take my hand.
With your hands?
Yeah. Look, I make my lure like that.
Look at that. This whole thread, you put 6 on it and you lower it in there?
Take like that.
Okay. Even with all the sort of failure that happened earlier, There was a moment where I was out there and I looked at the water and I just wanted to jump in. And I'd never had that before. And I could see myself out there on a boat. And then this just is compounding it. It's doubling down. This is really quite the experience out here. And when the fish hits, does it hurt your finger?
That's it.
Oh, super hard. His finger's like a rock. That's wild.
Normally, when you're fishing ature, when you put down, they eat quickly.
Really, bang.
But tonight, I don't know.
Why?
I don't know. Sometimes it's like that, huh? Yeah, sometimes it's like that.
It's been that kind of day. We're gonna go over to this big cruise ship over here, see what's going on. See if some fish are hanging out underneath it. You got one?
Yeah.
You got one. We got something for Chef. This is great.
Ature.
Ature. It's amazing. Thank you very much, JP.
No problem.